Hi friends. Do you know why we should eat healthy food? Let me tell you. Healthy food is super important. It helps us grow strong, stay happy, and have lots of energy to play and learn. Healthy food helps us grow. Milk, eggs, fruits, and vegetables help our bones and body grow big and strong. It gives us energy. We need energy to run, jump, play, and study in school. Fruits, nuts, and grains give us that energy. Healthy food keeps us safe from sickness. Fruits and vegetables have vitamins that protect us from colds and coughs. It makes our brain smart. Yes, foods like fish, eggs, and green veggies help us think better and learn faster. It is good for our teeth and bones too. Milk, cheese, and yogurt make our teeth and bones strong and healthy. Too much junk food like chips and candies is not good. It can make us lazy, tired, and even sick. But healthy food keeps us active, happy, and fit. Let's eat fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein foods like eggs and lentils, and dairy like milk and cheese. Healthy food means a happy life. Let's say yes to healthy food and no to junk food. So remember, friends, eat well, stay strong, and be awesome every day. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun and learned something new today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join the adventure. See you next time with more fun and learning. Bye-bye, and keep smiling.